Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel.
Today we will study C silent words like science and tech. The rule when is C silent in the word is C is not pronounced when it is used after letter S. For example, in decibel and SN. So let's start today's video. Read along with me all the words. ABSCESS obsess. ABSCEND ascent. ASCENT ascent. CONSCIENCE conscience. CONSCIOUS conscious. CRESCENT crescent. DESCENT descent. DISCIPLE disciple. EVANESCE Evanes. FASCINATE fascinate. FLOURESCENT fluorescent. MUSCLE muscle. OBSCENE obscene. TRANSCENT transcend. SCENE scene. SCENT scent. SCENERIO scenario. SCIENC science.